Hey guys, this is Mother of Twins coming back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Happy holidays. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button to be a part of my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. You'll get the notification to your device. And I'm coming back with another collaboration. The Happy collaboration is created by WTF with the Taylor family. Big shout out to them over there. I am a part of that collaboration. Another collaboration is called Joy Bells Ringing. So he asked us if we wanted to do the edible ornaments, I guess to go on the Christmas tree, or either bake cookies. So I decided I wanted to bake cookies because it's quicker and everything. So also, I'm sorry I had to record kind of late because the baby's asleep. They get in the way sometimes. I'm sorry they're not in the video with me. But I decided that I wanted to do some real velvet cookies. I was gonna do some more with them, but they opened them up and started eating them. And y'all, I'm kind of sick. They opened them up. I bought 2 different kinds for us to do, and they opened them up, y'all. So we're gonna go with this real velvet cookie dough. It's with Premier White Morsel. That sounds good. Who like red velvet cake? It's really good. But I'm gonna do this. All you have to do is preheat the oven to 350, which I already do. I got that. And yeah, just put them in the pan. I got this pan right here, y'all. Put them in, and we're gonna bake them for 12 to 13 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys having a great holiday as well. These days is rolling by. Christmas will be next week. Oh my goodness. It's just so, I hope y'all excited as I am. But yes, everybody that's participating in it is Joy. The collaboration is Joy Bell collaboration, and happy holidays and party items and the channels. Y'all go check these wonderful channels out that's a part of it, including me, VR Family Flex, Meet the Leads, Sincere Team, Keeping Up with the Griffin, Ashley Rose Vlog, Embry Family Entertainment, Entertaining 7, The Mumford Family, Sweet Reed, Coco T TV, Riding with Chevy, Pooh and Reels, What's Good with Lamar, It's Meg, The Official Baker Squad, and the Mutawi Family. Yeah, so check out these wonderful channels that's being a part of the Joy Bell Ringing collaboration. And Keeping Up with the Joneses. I said Keeping Up with the Joneses. Keeping Up with the Griffins is next after me, so y'all stay tuned after mine. Y'all go over to them and check them out. So I'm finna get started. I'm finna open these up and spread them out. It smells good. It smells like real velvet. Look how it's squeezed like that. So we're gonna make some. I don't know how many to make. Spread them out. I'm gonna see how they turn out. So y'all pray for me. My babies love anything that's sweet. So I'm making them for them. Sure when they wake up they're gonna be smelling them.
they gonna be wanting one in the morning. See how it's broken apart? You really gotta wait till it cool off. I'm supposed to wait till it cool off, but I want to taste it with y'all. It tastes like a brownie. It's really good. But yeah, y'all. As I said in the beginning of the video, y'all go check out the wonderful chunks that's participating in there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. They are good. And they are done. I'm just going to wait till they cool off. And I might have me one once I end this video. So y'all stay tuned for my next videos and everything. And big thumbs up to with the Tabor, with the family Tabor. Big thumbs up to her and their family over there for allowing me to do this collaboration. It's very fun. Joy bells ringing collaboration. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a great holiday, having a great holiday, and I will see y'all later. Peace and love.